A high-profile arrest in the government insider trading investigation of SAC Capital. I'm Marcus Mabry for the New York Times. Business reporter Peter Latman has been following this case, and he joins me now. Peter, thanks for being here.
Hi, Marcus.
So this is a big deal, this arrest this morning. Tell us what it means.
So at 6:30 this morning, federal agents showed up at the apartment of Michael Steinberg on Park Avenue and arrested him and walked him out in handcuffs. This was largely expected. He had been named an unindicted co-conspirator in a previous case, and we knew that the government was weighing bringing charges against him. But he is the most senior employee of SAC Capital charged so far in this long-running investigation.
He's a portfolio manager in this gigantic hedge fund run by Stephen A. Cohen. Is Cohen the ultimate target of investigators here?
Yeah, so he's been the focus of this insider trading investigation. We've done reporting that has shown that at times federal agents have, shown potential suspects of charts with Steve Cohen at the center. Clearly, they're working their way up the ladder to try and implicate Mr. Cohen. But importantly, he has not been charged with any wrongdoing. The SEC has not sued him personally, and there's never been an allegation that he, in fact, possessed and traded on material non-public information.
And you've actually written, though, about a kind of recent buying spree he's been on.
Yeah, that's sort of a bizarre development in this whole saga. This week, we've reported two stories. One is that he's a world-class art collector, and he purchased a Picasso painting from Steve Wynn, the casino owner, for $155 million. A
Picasso painting previously had an elbow through it, apparently. It's been repaired subsequently, but still, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, a bizarre backstory. Steve Wynn accidentally put an elbow through it. It was repaired. Apparently, the rip did not make it drop in value because $155 million is quite a price. And then the day after, it surfaced that he bought an oceanfront estate in the Hamptons for $60 million. So, he indulged in a little retail therapy, I guess, at this difficult time in the investigation.
Peter, tell us, what do you think are the next steps in this investigation?
Hard to say. Obviously, they're probably going to try and use Steinberg to get him to cooperate, to talk more about what goes on inside the fund. There's a parallel case going on involving another portfolio manager named Matthew Martoma. He has denied the charges against him, and his case is proceeding. This case is, running on a lot of different fronts, so it's hard to say what the next step is, but clearly this isn't the end of the story.
All right, we'll keep talking to you about it. Thanks, Peter.
Thanks, Marcus.
That's all for now. I'm Marcus Mabry for the New York Times.